Hi everyone, I'm Michelle and welcome to this overview of administering and managing full table exports in Customer Journey Analytics. As an administrator, you know how important it is to have centralized control over data exports for your teams. Let's dive into the features designed specifically to make your life easier. Start by navigating to Components, then Exports. This is your dedicated hub for managing full table exports. First, as an administrator, you'll now have full visibility across the organization. On both the Exports tab and the Logs tab, look for the toggle that lets you switch to View Exports or Logs for all users, not just your own. You have complete oversight to troubleshoot, audit, and support your teams more effectively. While you're here, another handy feature. For completed or failed jobs, you can quickly rerun the export with one click. Perfect for refreshing data or retesting a destination. For failed jobs, you have the flexibility to either rerun them as is or edit the configuration first to fix any issues before restarting. These options help minimize downtime and streamline recovery. Switching back to the Exports tab, notice that you can create an export directly from this interface. No need to start an analysis workspace. You can also begin in Workspace by building a freeform table, then converting it to an export. That workflow is ideal when you're already deep in a project. Review the video that covers this workflow in more detail if you're interested. But now for faster setup, especially when managing multiple exports or standardizing configurations, you can add a new export right here in the centralized exports page. I'll walk through that creation process shortly so you can see how straightforward it is. Another key feature is under Locations. You can now specify a custom prefix, file name, and path for the exported files. With custom prefixes, names, and paths, you can better integrate exports into automated pipelines, downstream processing, or storage organization, saving time and reducing manual work. Let's head back to the Exports tab and create a new export from here to see this workflow in action. When starting a new export from scratch, the dimensions and metrics are empty, so you'll add those first to make the table. Much of the setup remains similar to the workspace-initiated process, but here are some additional options. You can apply a segment or even a group of segments directly in the export configuration interface. No extra steps needed. The output format Parquet is supported, which is great for compatibility with many cloud warehouses and big data tools that prefer columnar storage. Moreover, you can set up a distribution list of email addresses to receive notifications. Get alerted when jobs complete successfully, when they're about to expire, or if they fail. You don't have to manually check status. These proactive notifications keep you and your team informed automatically. These features give administrators like you greater control, visibility, and efficiency in managing full table exports across your organization. Thanks for watching and feel free to explore these features in your CJA instance today.